Hiran, can you tell me
Yes, sir.
about yourself briefly?
So my name is Hiran AJ. I come from Trivandrum, Kerala. I completed my schooling from Loyola School, Trivandrum. I did my BA in English from Marivenus College, and then I went on to complete my PG in political science from Indira Gandhi National Open University. My hobbies are I watch sports. I love watching and reading about political commentaries. I spend time with my friends. I have a younger brother who is in the 10th grade as of now. So
Yeah, I
thank you.
think you had your first mark yesterday or day before yesterday only, na?
No, so I had it almost 10 days back.
Acha, acha. There is one more boy with political science.
Okay, sir.
In the group, there is one more boy who has done political science, and he has also done English and then political science recently. Maybe today or yesterday, I had an interview for him. Tell us about your family.
So my family consists of my father, my mother. I have a younger brother, and we also have a pet dog called Simba.
No, no, please don't tell this unnecessarily because some of us may like pets, some of us may not like pets. We are
Okay,
asking
so
only about your
for
family.
family.
Does
Okay, sir.
family consist of your dog also? Normally, dog owners consider so, but not
Yeah,
for
I get your point,
interviews.
sir.
But not for interviews.
Okay, sir. Okay.
What is your father doing?
My father is a central government employee. My mother is a homemaker.
Central government means which department?
External affairs, sir. Passport office.
Oh, where is he working?
So Tirunelveli.
Trivandrum.
Yeah.
Trivandrum.
Yes.
What is the nature of work he is doing? What is his
So he's a
designation?
superintendent.
Acha. Now I think everything is computerized, na? I think it is being done by in Tamil Nadu and all. It is being done by TCS. What is the system of issue
Sir,
of passport in
no, so
Trivandrum?
actually only the front office is handled by TCS. Rest all the work is done by government only. The front office where people interact are with TCS people, but everything is done by the central government. They don't have the authority to do the background work.
Mhm. Acha, acha. Good. The of course the issue of passport etc. will be done by office people inside. Yeah, yeah,
Yes, sir, it's a sensitive thing. No?
yeah. A passport is valid for how many years?
So if you are an adult, it goes for 10 years, and if you are a minor, it is only for 5 years.
Acha. Good. Why should a passport be valid only for 5 years or 10 years? Why can't it be issued till one's life?
So, with regard to minors, they have constant changes in their own personal details. Like they may be staying in one place, they may go to another place for education, and there may be updates in their own biometric things. So, I think it needs constant update when you are a minor. And also, after you reach your 18th age, once you're an adult, you will have more consistency in your personal details. So, that is the reason why for minors it is for 5 years.
See, among valuation of passports of different countries, what is the valuation for our Indian passport?
So, we are
Like
ranked above
hmm,
100, sir.
above 100. Acha. Now, please tell me with for how many countries we can go without any visa?
So visa on arrival, I'm not sure about the exact numbers, but we only have around 40 countries that give us visa on arrival.
Can you name four of them?
So Maldives is one. Uh, Brazil is planning to do it. I don't know if they have done it yet. Then I think Dubai. Dubai is a country that gives visa on arrival for Indians. UAE, not Dubai, UAE.
Hmm.
So then our neighboring countries do is Bhutan. Bhutan gives it.
Actually, for this question, you need not have brought Brazil into picture at all because you are not sure about it. So talk
Okay,
only
so okay.
about things about which you are 100% confident.
Okay, so
What is the fees to be paid for getting a passport?
so it's 3,500.
3,500 हो गया? Oh, Papa. Oh, oh. Good.
So and they also have another payment system for Tatkal scheme, but the payment I'm not sure of.
Mhm. It's okay. Doesn't matter. Please tell me the job role of a probationary officer.
So as a probationer officer, I am expected to do all kinds of jobs in the bank. And this role particularly demands me a marketing role in which I can sell products as well as canvas accounts, do clerical jobs, as well as maintain counter operations.
Okay. Now, how will you convince customers about opening their accounts with us and not? I mean, they are all having accounts in public sector banks. How will you talk nicely to convince them to come to our bank? Imagine I am a proposed customer. I have come to your office or you have come to my home. Please talk in sweet, sweet words to convince me to come and open an account with your bank.
Hello, sir. I would like to, I would request you to open an account in my bank because of the hassle fee process and the hugely digitalized platform that we provide, using which you can operate all our operations in the home itself. Our bank is it's not a public sector bank; it's a private sector bank. So we are customer oriented, providing more and more to the customers, not just, and we are also evolving bank, a growing bank. So you can always get maximum returns and the most benefits from our account. So I hope you understand the benefit of joining a bank that is growing every day.
Hmm. So, should I come to your bank? There are public sector banks, so many just opposite my house, side of my house.
So
All
I
the
know
way,
there are
why
public
should I
sector.
come to your bank?
So often we have got to know about news in several articles that whenever you go to a public sector bank, you're not catered to as well as in a private sector bank. They may go for lunch in odd hours. There will be long queues. They are not that much customer oriented. But a private sector bank is entirely opposite, sir. You will always be our king.
What is
That is
the
the way we
interest?
treat our
What is
customers.
the interest rate you are giving on SP account?
So it is 7.4. And
SP,
for a
I am asking
savings bank
SP.
account, right, sir?
Yeah,
Yes, sir, it's 7.4.
no. Savings bank, it is only 3%. Fixed deposit
Oh, sorry,
only.
sir. Yes, yes, sir, sir, sir. Yes, you're right, sir.
Acha, acha. Is there
Yeah.
nomination facility in your bank?
Yes, sir. Nomination facility is there.
What is a nomination facility?
So nomination is basically giving you'll nominate a person to whomever the account and its value will go to once you are dead, once you die. If you die,
Talk like this. Instead, you can say nomination is a facility where a depositor open when he is opening an account or afterwards can give the name of his relative or known person to whom the money has to be paid in the event of his death. You have to talk
yes,
in
sir.
third party.
Third party. Okay, sir.
You should not tell me that when you die, that's
Oh, sure. Sorry, sir.
there is a thing. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
No problem. You're talking well in English. That is a plus point for you. But then let me ask, do you know about the loans given by our bank?
Uh, yes, sir.
Tell me.
So there are education loans, there are house loans, there are personal loans. Uh, there is a gold loan.
Uh-huh. Can you tell me latest news about Federal Bank?
The one latest news is we have become the first bank to introduce a smile pay feature in which you can use the smile, broad smile to undertake transactions. That is, you don't even have to carry your mobile phone with you to the shops. That's a very good feature. That is a future that we are the first bank in India to introduce such a feature, sir.
Hmm. What is the tagline of our bank?
The perfect banking part.
What are the para banking that we do?
So we sell mutual funds. We have insurance collaborations with Tata, and we also assist you in having sovereign gold bonds.
Hmm. Can you tell me, have you worked anywhere? When did you complete your post graduation?
So I completed my post graduation this year only, sir, 2024, June.
Correspondence?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why did you do through correspondence?
So I was preparing for UPSC civil services, sir. My optional was political science. Hence, and I also interested in the subject once I started preparing. So that is why I had to do correspondence, sir.
Now, what about your civil services exams?
So I was preparing for civil services before 2023, sir. I gave three exams and I qualified for the mains one time, but the third time I couldn't clear prelims. So it was like, uh, I was not confident enough to go ahead with it. And I also had other exams coming up. Like civil service happens only once in a year. So once you lose out, it is a 1 year gone altogether. So I had to shift, sir, and focus on banking exams.
Okay, that's right. Now, what is your thought on mis-selling?
So, so should I
Yeah,
answer from a customer perspective or a bank perspective?
it's a general definition only. What is mis-selling?
So mis-selling happens when you try to sell products that are not required for the customer as such.
No, no, no. First, avoid using the word you.
Okay, sir.
You should not use the word you. Mis-selling is uh, seller selling a product, giving false promises or false ideas about the
Okay,
product. That's all. General talk in third party.
okay, so okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
An incident
So,
that shattered you during your college days.
can I, when you ask college, can I say school or I should stick to college only?
I asked college. You can
Okay,
tell
sir. Okay.
school as college, no problem. Tell.
So basically, I was a person who had stammering. I
Hmm.
used to, I used to struggle speaking to be. I was an introvert as well. So no, I think stammering made me an introvert at the end of the day. I couldn't. I was not. I was so tense that I would struggle to even tell the roll number when the teachers called for roll calling. So once I grew up in my 10th and all, I used to really struggle. I was scared of large audiences or even speaking up. So one kind of situation in which a teacher that I admired so much, and I really thought that she must care for me, but even she was kind of laughing. So that kind of broke my confidence again. So that was an experience that I will always have in my mind.
But now you are talking very well. No problem. Now,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me how ATMs are working?
So ATM is a platform that allows people to uh, take money and even deposit money now without going to a branch. Even it allows you to operate even on holidays, any days, 24 bar 7.
This is not the answer. The answer for this question is ATMs are connected through national financial switch to the main server of the bank. And
Yes.
all the ATMs are interconnected. And when we go and use our ATM card, when we insert that, there is a chip which contains details of our account. And with that permission, the ATM is able to access our account, then carry out the transactions that we ask, like balance inquiry or withdrawal of funds, etc. Okay,
Yes. Because I should be answering the functioning of it.
that's what I asked. How
Yes, sir.
ATMs are
Okay, sir.
working?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
how many digits are there in the ATM debit card?
12.
16.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
There is some number on the reverse of it. How many digits are there? What is it called?
So it's called a CVV code. There are three digits.
What is the expansion of CVV?
So I'm not aware.
Card verification value.
Okay.
Then what are the other points that will be there on the face of a debit card?
So it will have my name. It will
Hmm.
have an expiry date as well.
Not expiry date, expiry month and year.
Year. Yes, sir.
From to. From
Yes, sir.
to. Apart from the name of the bank that has issued and all that.
Yes, sir. And the
Okay.
card company
On
name.
the
Yeah.
card. Yeah. That's what it is. Good. Best wishes. Thank
Okay, sir.
you.
So, can you, what do you find wrong in me, sir, or anything to, or things to improve?
Nothing special comment about it because you are talking well. And
Okay, sir.
regarding points, if you don't know, then only it is only a question of luck whether they are
Hmm.
asking only questions that are known to you or unknown questions. It depends purely on luck. Now, these
Yes,
are
sir.
the questions that came to my mind. Same thing will happen there also. Don't worry. Go with
Uh,
confidence.
so one more thing, if you have
For
time,
you,
sir.
lot of questions on geopolitical issues will come. That you be ready with ready-made
Uh,
answers like
Sir,
Canada.
is it okay if I say I have prepared for civil services? Because a lot of people told me not to tell that.
Not to tell that is better. Not telling that is good. You tell them you have been preparing for bank exams.
And also, can I tell them what all I have done? Like, I have attended this interview and all, can I tell?
Here, if they ask you how did you prepare, you tell I
Not, sir, not
prepared
about this, sir. Earlier exams, sir.
earlier exams. If you have attended interview, you can tell
Okay, sir.
like IBPS or SBI,
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes.
whatever it is. You can tell that nothing wrong.
Okay, sir.
Whereas regarding this preparation, you say I prepared using bank. I studied banking and I used online assistance for YouTube and contents from online. I used to discuss with my friends about the various topics like that. Don't tell about our joining our institute and all that. There is
No, sir,
no need.
I was not talking about this. I was talking only about the earlier exams.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Best wishes.
Thank you.